out some square root of that the variables. So I'll apply simply the square root sqrt and use your variables. Okay, whatever the variable that you are declared, use it into this opening and closing this curly bracket. Okay, square root, and apply this x variables. Okay, so this will give you the answer. Again, that I want to find, give the double precision method. Okay, so use these double functions. Again, apply it on your the variables. So in this thing, so I will not use this x variables. Okay, my data or my answer is in this ans variable. So I'll use here ans variables. It will give me the values. Okay, 2.00 2.00495. So this will be like, you can solve some symbolic math equation into MATLAB. Again, if I take another example, sims, again two variables. For example, I'm using this sims y variable. Okay, again using this equation, like sim in bracket 11 divided by 21. So let me show this. I just copy paste it again. Okay, and just change the values in it, like 5 divided by 6, again the 6 divided by 13. Okay, again I want to apply this pi function on it. What I'll get this value. Okay, y will be 11 divided by 21, pi divided by 6, 6 divided by 13, and pi. So this will be create vector for me. Okay, so to do addition vectors also, I can the whatever the variable that we created here, x and y, I can also do like addition x, simple command, for example x or y. It will give me answers. Okay, this will you can do the vector multiplication or vector addition also. Okay, you can also do some the vectors multiplication or vector operation into MATLAB there. So this is like you can declare symbolic variables or symbolic operation there in MATLAB. So let me clear this.